Okay, today we're going to be taking a look at how to add billing codes to your CarePaths site. You can access this section either by clicking on the billing codes button here on your home page, or by going to the accounting menu up top and selecting billing codes. We're going to hit add billing code. We're going to hit this select menu. You see we've got lots of options in here. Like most menus on the CarePaths site, you can fast forward to what you want by just typing it into your keyboard. I'm going to hit 90834. You can see that brings us to the 90834 code. You can see we've also got a whole bunch of modifiers available. 90834 especially is a very common code, so we have a lot of modifiers for it. You can see some of them have a slash after the code itself, and then some have a colon after the code, followed by additional letters. Now, the slashes are not going to be sent on claims. If you have a code with a slash, it will just send the code itself, in this case 90834. The slash and anything after it won't be sent. With the colon codes, however, those will be sent. So for here, for example, 90834 GT is a telehealth code. GT and 95 are the most common modifiers used for telehealth, and a lot of insurance companies will want one of those two for any telehealth claims. So now down here, we're going to select either fee is variable, which means that we can input a fee each time we use the code and can use different fees. Or if we have a set fee for this code, we just type it in right here. Have the units down here. That will typically be 1, but may vary depending on requirements from the insurance company, which they should let you know about. And then down here, you'll select whether or not these charges are going to be billed on claims. In most cases, you're going to select bill on professional claims, but there are also options for bill on EAP claim, or an option if you're not going to be billing these codes on claims. Once all that's selected, you can just hit save, and there we go. You can scroll down and see 90834 GT is on our list of billing codes now and can be added to any patient document.